Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you how to make an egg biryani. First you have to boil the eggs. Take a mixie grind. Add garlic, curry leaves, chilies, 1 onion and ginger pieces. Add some water and grind it well. After that, turn on the gas. So you have to fry the eggs in oil. So add some oil. Next add turmeric powder, little bit chili powder and eggs. Fry it well. Then you have to take 1 glass of rice. Add 2 glasses of water. Soak it well for 5 minutes. Take out the fried eggs. Next, take a cooker. Add some masala spices and 3 to 4 spoons of oil. Add jeera and mustard seeds and curry leaves. Add 2 chopped onions and mix it well. After 5 minutes, add that mixie paste. Mix it. After that, add 2 spoons of salt, 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon of egg masala and 1 spoon of biryani masala. Mix it well. Add turmeric powder, leave it for 5 minutes. After that, add the soaked rice. Then mix it. Then add eggs. Close the cooker and leave it for 15 minutes. Now your egg biryani is ready. So thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.